Simple guide on how to purchase GPUs using Ethereum and how to sell GPUs on your iPhone. Please go to our website marketplace at m.mineable.io. You have to log in your already registered Mineable account. Click Login. Fill your email and password. After logging into your account, select the GPU you want to purchase. Click Buy GPU. Please connect your preferred wallet with available Ethereum to complete the process. After connecting your external wallet, you can easily purchase any GPU of your choice. To sell your GPUs, click on My GPUs option. Choose the price you wish to sell your GPU. Click List on Marketplace. With that, your GPU has been successfully listed on the peer-to-peer marketplace for sale.